you're watching this video, you probably want to know what's on the ship. So if you want to know what's on the ship, you better watch this video till the end of it. Alright, because I'm going to show you everything, what's inside, the ins and outs, what to do, food, drinks, all the fun stuff, the stateroom. So watch the video and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for the channel. Alright, let's go. Welcome to the picture, guys. Welcome to the port. We're gonna take you on one of the biggest ships in the entire world right now. We're on line right now, checking the luggages, heading that way. All these people are going on the ship. Check these bags in, and we'll meet you on the other side. We just passed the checkpoint, the security, and we went over there through there, and now we're going through the rest of the check-in for the Odyssey of the Sea Royal Caribbean ship, one of the biggest, largest ships in the world. That's awesome. Here we go, guys. Finally, we're gonna board one of the largest, biggest cruise ship in the world, Odyssey of the Sea, right here in front of you guys. That's a dream. We're living a dream, man. That's huge! Hi!
You the other finger, please. The other one.
The next one?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, next one, guys. Odyssey of the Sea, Royal Caribbean. Look at this. Food, drinks, supplies, packages. These guys are just working 24 hours to support everything. They have to load this stuff on. Gotta make sure everything's set to sail. Wow. A lot of work to get this ship all together. Obviously, the Mediterranean Sea. Amazing, right? Beautiful. The weather is just awesome. Sunny. That's all what we need. Can't believe that there's engines that push that whole thing. Wow. Alright. Let's get on the ship. Now it's real. We've been doing this check-in for like 2 hours so far. Check the bags, security check, check-in, the passes and everything else, lines after lines after lines. Like, you need to have all the energy in the world to do this. Yeah, it's fun, but you're gonna be standing on your feet for hours and hours. Just saying. Here we go. Royal Caribbean. Woohoo! Hi. Hi. That's another check over here. Fantastic. I thought we're done. Apparently not yet. Sweet. Hi guys. Now we're continuing the sailing on from Italy, and we're heading to Greece, the island of Santorini. Beautiful day. The wind, it's really windy. I don't know how the voice is gonna turn out, but I hope it's gonna turn out very well. That's why I'm using the best microphone to deliver the best voice ever for you guys. Doesn't matter if it's windy or not. Look at this. We're all set, ready to go. Let's go discover the sea together. Ready? Woohoo! Let's go. Port side, room number 296. lobby. ارجع لللوبي. All right, back to the lobby. We will take the elevator from here. Ooh, came right to us. Fantastic. All right, we're heading to deck 15, and it's a touchless. You just put your finger here and it works. That is awesome. Whee! Look at this water. We are going up and up and up from deck 7. Continue on. There's tons of elevators here. There's over 6 of them. We're leaving. Door opens. Sweet. The other door opens. And here we are on deck 15, guys. Odyssey of the Sea. One of the largest cruise ships in the world. The second largest cruise ships in the entire world. You got tons of seating area. Time right now is 8 a.m. in the morning. Still early. Beautiful. Not a whole lot of people. Most of the people are still sleeping. Oh, wow. Look at this. The North Star. We're gonna get on top of that in about 2 to 3 hours, I think. We'll get up there. We'll take you guys up in here. That's all a walking path. So if you guys want to run, you guys feel like you want to get some exercise, that's all walking path, running path. People run, walk, exercise in the morning. Look at the jacuzzi, empty, clear glass. Like I said, it's early in the morning. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. People are still sleeping, kids are sleeping. Give it about an hour or two, 9 or 10, and this is gonna be packed. This is gonna be full, especially at a sea day where everybody's still at the ship. It's not a port day, so everybody can hang out in this area. Look at this huge ship. I don't know where to start from, honestly, and where to end, but I'm gonna try to show you guys everything I can. We'll show you every deck. We'll show you the features, stuff to do, and the fun things to do. We're gonna take you guys all the way up front, the front of the ship. Incredibly windy. The wind is crazy. Feel the wind's gonna blow us away. That's a 1/4 mile mark on the ground. That is the suits on deck. That's kind of a private. You have to pay to sit in this area under the sun. There is a little bit of shade under there. That's why people pay for it, because it's a little bit shady, and some people like the shade. They don't like to be in the sun. For me, I prefer to be in the sun, so I'm not paying nothing. I want to be sitting out here enjoying the sun. All right. If you guys want to enjoy some shade, you gotta pay for that a little extra to sit in this area. Over here, you got this little seating area. So nice. That is the bar right here in the middle. It's gonna get really packed later. We'll show you guys the drinks and stuff like that. The cabana, where you guys can rent one. Like I said, that is the bar. Lime and coconut right here. One of the most popular area. You can sit in here, have your drinks, enjoy the day. Most of the people do that. I think I will do that as well. Show them what's going on in this area. Obviously here you got the swimming pool area, another jacuzzi down there. Besides the other one that we got to show you, there's 4 jacuzzis total on this ship as far as I'm seeing so far. You got the lifeguard on duty, a beautiful swimming pool down here on the Odyssey of the Sea. People chilling down there after they did their exercises. They ran in the morning, take a shower, gonna sit here and chill. And over there you got a splash away bay, which is like kids area. fun stuff in the water. Down there, there is another bar, drinks. Obviously, get inside the ship from that side, and that is the entire view from deck 15. All right, on top of it will be deck 16. And that is all the way up. All right, there's another jacuzzi over there as well. Beautiful. Cool. Next, obviously finish the front of the ship. Let's go to the back of the ship and see what's going on back there. People are chilling in the jacuzzi in the morning. That looks like a fantastic idea. I think I'll be doing that in a little bit. Do a little bit later. There's a stand shower in here. So once you're done with your swimming pool, just like on the beach, you can come here, wash, and take a quick shower. If you want to just change. Like I said, these seatings are all over the area. There's tons of seats here on the on deck 16 and 15. Playground area. Here you get inside deck 15 to the playground, the bumper cars, and everything else on the inside. I have another video. I will link it for you guys to see what's inside there. There is a football pool over here. Football pool. You got that. I don't know. It's like a little cat. It's not a little. It's a huge. I'll show you guys closer. That entire thing. It's like a cat, or I don't know, like a tiger climbing the ship. And over here you got the rock climbing. You can climb rock all day long if you want, and when you get up you ring the bell. But right now there's nobody up there, but the ring still boom 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 because of the wind. That's how windy it is. It's incredibly windy. You can't believe how windy it gets in Greece. Let's take you guys all the way up. Whoa, what is that? You guys can't believe what I found. The surfing area. Surfing area on Odyssey of the Sea. That's obviously the other end of the ship. 9 days are barely enough to see everything on this ship. Tons of activities, things to do. Woo! Good job, man. You're doing fantastic. Woo! He fell off. But he did good. He did good for a second over there. This is really hard, by the way. The amount of pressure of water in this area, woo! Incredible. Next, you can get up in here and do another activity. Like I said, the amount of activities on this ship is incredible. Over here, you can do that skydiving thing. You can literally fly in this right here. You can do skydiving. All right. Amazing. You have to book obviously a special time and appointment for this event, and then you can do it on this ship. Wow, that's the end of the ship. That's where the engines are pushing this entire ship. Let's take you guys down. Look at that. Whoa. Let's take you down and show you the Odyssey of the Sea, where the engines are pushing this huge ship. All right, that's the end of it. Another quick thing to show you guys here. There is a sky pad where you can be jumping up and down on these air mattresses. You can have an incredible experience, a whole different world while you're jumping inside here. All right, that's incredible. This is awesome. We are gonna take you somewhere special. I'm gonna show you somewhere probably nobody else has showed you before. An incredible place. Look at this. Look at that. Clear glass floor. Look at that. Look at this. Just look at it. And I'm walking on glass. I can see the water underneath me, the ship, everything. Woo! That is an incredible experience right here. Walking on a glass. It's a little bit scary, but I trust these guys. I hope they did a good job putting this glass together. I haven't fell apart yet. You can literally see the ship underneath you, the water, and everything. Just look at that. Woohoo! And the sun is shining on me, guys. I hope you guys will enjoy that video with a walk through the entire ship, a full review, show you guys the activities, what to do, things. Deck 15, deck 16. If you haven't hit that like button or subscribe, please do so to help me make more videos like that. We're gonna go to Greece, Italy, Turkey, and obviously all over the world. So if you want to see videos from the entire world, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for me so you get more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching that video. I'll leave you guys with the last view of the ocean, the water from here. You can see. Gorgeous. Incredible. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day, just like the day that I'm having.